Hello everybody and welcome back. So yesterday was it Sunday? No. Was it Friday? No. Was it Tuesday? Yes, yesterday was Tuesday. So if yesterday was Tuesday, then that means today is Wednesday. So it's Wednesday, April, what number is this? It's a 2 and a 9. 29 of what year? 2020. So we only have one more day of April, and then it's a new month. Do you know what month it is, boys and girls? What comes after April? Come back in 2 days to find out if you are right. So the weather yesterday, it was sunny in the morning, and then it did rain in the afternoon and evening. So today, I do not see any sun. What I do see is rain and cloudy. Do you agree? Let me know. So for today, we are going to do our circle time. We're going to read another book by Peter H. Reynolds, and then we are going to sing another color song. It's the color blue today. And then we are going to do an activity with stickers. So what you're going to need is stickers, paper, and something to write with. So, are you ready to do our ABCs and our numbers together? Okay, let's say it together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, now let's move on to our numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so now we're going to move on to our shapes. So we have octagon, square, oval, diamond or rhombus, heart, circle, triangle, rectangle, and star. And of course, we cannot forget about our colors. So we have green, yellow, black, which I am wearing today, purple, white, orange, pink, red, brown, gray, and the color we are going to sing about today, the color blue. So now we are going to read a story that is called Sky Color, and it's by Peter H. Reynolds. Marisol was an artist. She loved to draw and paint, and she even had her very own art gallery. You see her art gallery? It's all on the fridge. I know some of my friends, when they take their artwork home, they get it put on the fridge too. Not all her art hung in a gallery. Much of it she shared with the world. She printed posters to share ideas she believed in. At school, Marisol was famous for her creative clothes, her box of art supplies, and her belief that everybody was an artist. Yes, Marisol was an artist through and through. So when her teacher told the class they were going to paint a mural for the library, Marisol couldn't wait to begin. The classroom buzzed with the sound of brainstorming. The students talked and sketched together. They made a great big drawing. Then they marched to the library. I'll paint a fish. I'll paint one too. I'll paint the ocean. Marisol shouted, I'll paint the sky. So what color is the sky? Marisol rummaged through the box of paint, but could not find any blue. How am I going to make the sky without the paint? So how is she going to make it without blue? The bell rang. It was time to put their brushes down for the day. As she climbed aboard the bus, Marisol kept wondering. All the way home, she stared out the window. The sun lowered closer to the horizon. So what colors do you see in the sky in this picture? There's some red, orange, yellow. So do you think that gives her an idea of what to paint the sky? Later at home, Marisol watched day turn into night. So what new colors do you see in the sky? There's some purple and pink. That night, Marisol settled into a deep dream. She drifted through a sky swirling with colors. The colors mixed, making too many to count. In the morning, Marisol stood waiting for the bus in the rain. The sky was not blue. She smiled. So do you think she got an idea of what to paint the sky? Because the sky is not always blue, right, boys and girls? At school, Marisol raced to the library. She grabbed a dish and began adding colors. This one, that one. She swirled the brush to make an altogether new color. So what color do you think she's going to paint the sky? Marisol then began painting on the wall. A boy asked, "What color is that?" "That," Marisol said, "that is sky color." And what color did she end up doing the sky? A bunch of different colors, right? Because that's what she saw when the sun was setting. The end. So now we are going to do a new color song today. So we are going to do the color blue. So how do we spell blue? Do you know the first letter of that color? It's a B. So remember, we always start at the top and we're going to make a big line down. Then we're going to do a backwards curve and stop, and then come around and do another backwards curve. So it's B. Then what's the next letter? It goes B and then L. So L, remember you start at the top, you do big line down, little line across, and then the next letter is U. So we're going to start at the top, we're going to do big line down, a curve around and up. And the last letter of blue, boys and girls, is E. So we are going to draw an E. Remember, big line down, then we're going to go back to the top, little line across, and little line across. So it's B-L-U-E. Are you ready to sing? Well, let's go. Let's all sing together.
Sure. B-L-U-E spells blue. B-L-U-E spells blue. spells blue. B-L-U-E spells blue. B-L-U-E spells blue. Hi-ho, did you know B-L-U-E spells blue? The big sky is blue, the ocean is too. Hi-ho, did you know B-L-U-E spells blue? Now it's your turn. Let's try it with
Are you ready? B-L-U-E spells blue. B-L-U-E spells blue. Hi-ho, did you know B-L-U-E spells blue? The big sky is blue, the ocean is too. Hi-ho, did you know B-L-U-E spells blue?
faster.
B-L-U-E spells blue. B-L-U-E spells blue. Hi-ho, did you know B-L-U-E spells blue? The big sky is blue, the ocean is too. Hi-ho, did you know B-L-U-E spells blue? I hope you enjoyed that song. So how do we spell blue, boys and girls? B-L-U-E. And the sky is sometimes blue, like we just read about in the book. And then, of course, the ocean is blue. So now we are going to do an activity with stickers, like we talked about yesterday. So I have my stickers here, and I have my paper. So we are going to do a shape and a letter. So we are going to do the shape first. So boys and girls, do you remember what shape this is? If you said octagon, you are correct. And an octagon has how many sides? Let's count. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what do we see when we go outside that looks like an octagon? A stop sign. Good job, boys and girls. So I drew this ahead of time, but I want to see if you could draw this. If not, you can have your parents help you or somebody help you draw it. And then what you're going to do is take your stickers. Let's see, I want these. And we're going to go along the line. So then we're just going to make the octagon out of stickers. This is good practice if you do not know how to draw the octagon. I even have trouble sometimes drawing an octagon. They are very tricky. But with practice, I know my friends can do it. And this is just very simple so that you get used to the lines. Okay. And how many sides does an octagon have, boys and girls? 8. So if I put 2 stickers per side, and there are 8 sides, how many stickers did I put on? So we had 8, and I added 8 more. So 8, so let's count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there are 16 stickers on my octagon. So I want to see your octagons and your stickers of how many you could put on. So now we are going to do a letter. The letter that we are going to do is the letter V. V for vest, vulture. So how do we draw a V? Do we start at the bottom or do we start at the top? We start at the top. So we're going to take it and I'm going to do a big line down and stop and then do a big line up, okay? I want to see you do it too. So big line down, big line up. And you see, we have the letter V. So I am going to use Let's see if these work on the letter V. So how many stickers do you think we could fit on the letter V? It depends on how big your stickers are. As you see, the stickers I used for the octagon, they were pretty big, right? Are the stickers I'm using now bigger or smaller than the ones I used for the octagon? If you said smaller, then you are correct. And if you don't have stickers at home, you could just draw the V, and then you can go over it with paint or even markers. You could dab it along to make dots on it. You can be creative with it if you do not have stickers. But I know a lot of my friends, they like stickers, right? I know I like stickers. Doesn't it make you feel good when you get stickers? So we're halfway done with doing the V. So if you do the V and the octagon, I would love to see how you did. Or if you do not want to do these two, but you want to do another shape or letter, or you can even do a number. If you do any of them, please share with us so that we can see how well you did. Okay, so we have the letter V. So let's count how many stickers we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and the last one is 21. So I hope you enjoyed our activities today, and I hope you tune in tomorrow for some more fun. I hope you enjoy your Wednesday, and we will see you tomorrow.